In recent years, the popularity of health drinks has been on the rise, with consumers looking for ways to improve their overall health and well-being. One of the most recent entries in this market is TonicGreens, a drink that promises to provide a healthy dose of nutrients and energy. In this blog post, we will review TonicGreens and see if it lives up to its promises. Firstly, let's take a look at the ingredients of TonicGreens. The drink contains a variety of superfoods such as spirulina, chlorella, and wheatgrass. These ingredients are known for their high nutritional value and are believed to help with digestion, boost immunity, and improve overall health. TonicGreens also contains adaptogenic herbs such as ashwagandha and rhodiola. Adaptogens are known to help the body cope with stress and improve energy levels. These herbs are also believed to help improve mental clarity and focus. The drink also contains other ingredients such as ginger, lemon, and turmeric. These ingredients are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and can help with digestion and immune function. So, what does TonicGreens taste like? The drink has a slightly earthy taste due to the presence of superfoods and herbs. However, the addition of lemon and ginger helps to balance out the taste and makes it quite palatable. It is also not too sweet, which is a plus for those who prefer less sugary drinks. In terms of its effects, TonicGreens does provide a noticeable energy boost. This is likely due to the presence of adaptogenic herbs,